In the last 1.5 months, government has not responded to any other things in coastal Karnataka because in coastal Karnataka there will be excess rainfall and also the sea erosion. But government has not taken any action. So I had already demanded the CM and all the some concerned department to look after the issues of the coastal Karnataka.
There are warnings by the
warning, yeah.
meteorological department.
It is common in our coastal Karnataka. Warning will be no, so that government should take precaution and action. Sea erosion, anything else before taking place, they should take any actions. I have demanded the government also.
Sir, now the Congress is stating that they will be repealing laws on cow slaughter, anti-conversion laws. Well, what do you have to state?
Yeah, let them take. Then we'll, as a opposition, we'll take our decision. Because the government should already, as they have announced all the freebies, first let them fulfill all that. Simply they are diverting the mind of the people by taking some silly issues.
No, sir. From
So
the
that
first
better
day itself, they said that we
they
will
should
repeal.
fulfill all the five the demands they have announced, which are all the.
Sir, from the
Well, I told you, it is not so easy. So that we'll, as a opposition, will defend it and we'll do our duty. Okay, because 85% of the Hindus will get armed from that decision. So that we as a opposition, we look after that. We'll take our decision from the opposition leader. Thank you.